This meditation is a vibrational call your specific person can't resist. It was created in a way that magnetizes your presence directly into their heart and mind. This meditation is loving, powerful, grounded, and energetically precise, designed to echo deep within the consciousness of the one you choose. Now let's begin. You don't need to beg, reach out, or chase, because they are already chasing you right now. You exist in their mind like a flame that won't go out. You are a feeling they can't shake. Your energy lives rent-free in their body, in their thoughts, in the space behind every breath they take. They don't know what changed. They just know they need you more than ever. They check their phone like it's wired to your name. Every message, every buzz, every silence, they feel it. And when it's not you, it aches. It's not just a passing thought. You are a gravitational force in their reality. They can't eat the same. They can't sleep the same. That song on the radio, it reminds them of you. And you didn't even have to try. They simply chase you. They choose you. And you choose your power. And you choose your power. And in that choice, their soul heard the call. It whispered, "Come home." They feel your love before they remember your voice. They feel your light before they see your face. You live in their bones now. They are pulled to you in the quiet moments, in the chaos, in the in-between. Right now, they are thinking about you. Right now, their hand wants to reach for their phone. Right now, they're wondering what you're doing, who you're with, how you're doing it all without them. But this isn't desperation. This is magnetism. This is divine alignment. This is what happens when you remember your power, your value, your worth. You don't have to fight to be loved. You don't have to convince anyone, because the energy you radiate speaks louder than words. And that energy is irresistible. Your specific person is remembering you right now, not as someone from the past, but as someone they can't imagine a future without. They remember the way your laugh sounds, the way you felt safe, seen, and awakened in your gaze. They miss the realness, the touch of your hand, the depth of your silence, the peace in your presence. The thoughts they're having now are seeded by you, because you spoke this directly to their spirit. You didn't need to say a word. Your frequency spoke first. This is real. You are the one they can't forget, the one they can't replace, the one they keep hoping will show up in their dreams. They know you're the one they're supposed to chase now. They can feel the shift. You've released the need. You've stepped into receiving. And now they are the one with the butterflies. They are the one replaying old memories. They are the one whispering your name in silence. They are waking up moment by moment to the truth. The more they resist, the stronger it gets. The more they try to forget, the louder the echo of you becomes. Your voice is the soundtrack of their daydreams. Your smile is the image that keeps flashing when they least expect it. And now they can't stop it. They can't deny it. They don't want to. They need you. Not because they're lonely, but because nothing makes sense without you anymore. Now say this after me out loud or in your mind. They are obsessed with me. They are thinking about me constantly. They feel pulled to me in ways they can't explain. They check their phone every hour hoping it's me. They crave my energy, my presence, my touch. They are magnetized by who I am. They choose me over and over. They are on their way to me now. It is already done. You don't have to hope. You just have to know the more you lean into your power, the more undeniable you become. Your energy is undeniable. Your essence is unforgettable. Your presence is unstoppable. Watch what happens next. Watch how they start showing up. Watch how they start saying everything you once begged the universe to hear. But now you receive it with grace, with confidence, because you remembered who you are. Stay in this energy. Repeat this meditation every day. Let it flood your field. Let it become your normal, because when your energy leads, love follows. They follow you. They feel you. Every thought you think of them is a ripple in their mind. Every time you close your eyes and picture their face, they feel it subtly, deeply, like a tug in their chest, a pulse in their heart. You don't have to say a word. Your energy already speaks volumes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They are on their way to me now," to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.